application, term, and renewal. Now that you know who can become a notary, this lesson focuses on the application process, the length of a notary commission, and how to renew your authority when the time comes. This information is critical for both new and renewing notaries and is often tested on the exam. Our first lesson is about the step-by-step notary application process. The path to becoming a notary public varies by state, but generally follows this structured process. You must complete every required step to be officially commissioned. Step 1. Meet eligibility requirements. Before applying, confirm that you meet all state eligibility criteria. You cannot skip this step. Step 2. Complete the application form. Obtain the official application from your state's commissioning authority, usually the Secretary of State. Provide accurate personal information, name, address, background, and employment details if applicable. Common mistake: using a nickname or abbreviating your name. Always use your full legal name as it appears on your identification documents. Step 3. Pay the required application fee. Fees range widely by state, typically between $20 to $120. Some states require additional costs for education or testing. Step 4. Submit to a background check or fingerprinting. Some states perform criminal background checks. A few states may require fingerprinting or additional documentation. Here's an exam tip. Be familiar with whether your state requires live scan fingerprinting, especially in high-security jurisdictions like California. Step 5. Complete mandatory education or exam. Some states require you to complete a notary training course and/or pass a state-administered exam before commissioning. Step 6. Receive your commission certificate. If approved, you'll receive an official notary commission certificate or appointment notice. Let's take a break and have a mini check. What should you do immediately after receiving your commission certificate? A. Start notarizing documents. B. File your oath and bond, if required. C. Post it on social media. D. Return it to the Secretary of State. Answer is B. File your oath and bond with your county. Next is taking the oath of office and filing your bond. Most states require that you take an oath of office and file a surety bond within a certain number of days after being commissioned. Here's the step-by-step process. Take the oath, often administered by a county clerk or another authorized official. File the bond. A notary bond, typically $5,000 to $15,000, protects the public against notarial misconduct. Record with county clerk. In many states, you must file your oath and bond with the clerk in the county where you live or work. Common mistake: missing the filing deadline. Many states give you 30 days or less to file your bond and oath. Missing this deadline can void your commission. Next, we'll learn about the commission term. How long does a notary stay commissioned? A notary commission term refers to how long you're officially authorized to perform notarial acts. The term is set by state law and varies. Here are the common terms by state. Most states has 4 years. Some states 5 years, 6 years, or even 10 years. A few states commission for life. This is rare and usually with conditions. Here's an exam tip for you. Be prepared to identify your state's specific commission length and know when renewal is required. For the last lesson, we will learn about renewing your notary commission. You cannot perform notarial acts after your commission expires, so it's critical to renew on time. Here are the steps on how you can renew it. Check your expiration date well in advance. Renewal should start at least 90 days before expiration. Complete a renewal application, which may be identical to the original one. Complete any continuing education or retake exams. Pay the renewal fee. Repeat the oath, bonding, and filing process as if you're a new notary. Common mistake? Waiting until your commission has expired to renew. Once expired, you'll often need to start the entire application process from scratch. Here's a real-world insight. Angela has been a notary for nearly 4 years. She waits until the last week of her commission to renew, but encounters a delay with her new background check. Because she missed the renewal deadline, she must reapply as a new notary, which delays her ability to work and costs additional fees. Final recap. Here are the key takeaways we have learned throughout this lesson. Application steps include completing the form, paying fees, possibly passing an exam, and submitting to a background check. After approval, you must take your oath of office and file your notary bond, often with your county clerk. Most commissions last 4 years, but terms vary by state. Renew your commission early to avoid a lapse in authority. A notary cannot perform any acts with an expired commission, even by a single day.